Hi, my name is Thomas Cochran and I'm a foundation repair specialist with Dalinghaus Construction, Arizona. If you're looking for a video that's going to help you choose the right foundation repair company, you've come to the right place. So what I'd like to go over today is just a couple of things that will help you make a decision when you are looking for someone to repair your home's foundation. The first thing that you want to look at is the company's credentials. You want to make sure that who you're talking to is someone that is licensed, bonded, and insured. You want to make sure that if anything goes wrong in this project, that the person that is working on your foundation has what they need backing them up in case something does go wrong. Next thing that you want to look at when choosing a company is how much experience do they have. How long a company has been in business isn't everything, but it definitely means something. You want to be able to see that they have helped many customers fix their problem and the customers are happy when that project has been solved. Looking at reviews online is going to be one of the #1 ways you can tell that not someone's experience that they are advertising online is accurate, and just looking at the size of the company, how long it's been around, and the products and services that they offer as well. Next thing you're going to look at is the company's warranty. So #1, and not the #1, but one of the ways that you can know if a company is doing good work is if they're willing to stand behind it for a period of time afterwards. So many of the warranties that we offer here at Dalinghaus come with a lifetime guarantee that the structure that we work on is fixed, that the settlement problem has been solved. Another thing you want to look at when choosing a foundation repair company is how open are they with all of the things that come with a foundation repair. There's a lot of moving parts with a foundation repair. There's first figuring out what type of movement's going on with the home, which is our job when we first come out. And we want to tell you exactly what is wrong, exactly how it happened if we can figure that out, and exactly how to fix it all the way through. We want you to know how much of your house is going to be disturbed while the project is being done. We don't want you to have any surprises. There's no reason why the workday should begin and things are coming up that you weren't aware of. So you need to be with a company that is fully transparent about the work, the time frame, and the financials from day one. And last but certainly not least with choosing a foundation repair company is you want the best customer service. You want any project, especially a project of this size, if you're working with a company to fix your foundation, chances are it's one of the largest repairs that you've ever had to do. And if that's the case, then you want people who are going to answer the phone when you call, respond to emails. If you need any specific area of your house re-looked at, come out, take a look. One thing we offer at Dalinghaus is we want your inspection to not be a point of concern, so we'll come and have a look at your house completely for free as a way to try and earn your business. So you want a company that is going to not only be with you in the beginning to get a deposit, but be with you the entire way from start to finish, explaining everything you want to know, answering any questions you have, addressing any concerns. That is the least you should expect from any foundation repair company. So other than that, those are the main points that I think you should look at when choosing a foundation repair company. So I want to thank you for watching, and of course reach out to us. If you have any concerns about your home's foundation, please let us know. We would be happy at no cost to you to come take a look and give you an honest, customer service driven look at your home to make sure that everything is okay, or fix it so that you can have peace of mind for the future.